Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can check your Odoo version. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. And by the way, knowing your Odoo version will help you to ensure that to ensure the compatibility with modules and features. So once you log into your Odoo, what you will have to do is uh go okay what you will do is you will click this icon right here, and then you will look for something like about or my preferences. So it really depends on the layout of your Odoo. So if it's not visible here, you could also check your settings, and once again wait for it to load. And now that you're here, what you will do is you will search for about. So here you go. This is the version of Odoo that you have. And after that, you will just have to note the version. And by the way, that's helpful and useful for checking module compatibility or updates. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.